If you create content for social media, you know that it is tedious work and you want to get as much mileage out of each post as humanly possible. However, platforms like TikTok don't love seeing Instagram watermarks on their platform, and therefore they don't prioritize that content. So to get the most eyeballs on that video, you'll want to remove the watermark before posting it to a different platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take an Instagram reel, remove the watermark so that you can then post it to TikTok and YouTube. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into it. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is go to my Instagram page. I'm going to click on the reel that I wish to remove the watermark from. All you need to do is copy the link for this, and then you'll head on over to a website called indown.io. You'll paste the link right here and click search. After just a few seconds, you'll see your video will come up here. And then you can click download, and there it is. The video complete with audio, just without that watermark. And then you can go ahead and post that to wherever else you want to show off your incredible content. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And please share this with a friend. It really helps my channel, and I really appreciate you. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.